If you want your Google Ads to perform better and drive real results, writing strong headlines is essential. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create Google Ads headlines that convert, including how they work with Performance Max campaigns. Start by opening your browser and going to the Google Ads homepage. Click the Sign In button at the top right and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, click on Campaigns to view your active and paused ads. This is your main control center for managing and tracking performance. Next, open the Ads tab within your selected campaign. Here, you'll find all your existing ads. To create a new one, click Create Ad and choose Responsive Search Ad. This format is ideal for Performance Max campaigns because Google automatically tests different headlines and descriptions to find the best performing combinations. Now, move to the headline section. This is where you'll write short, compelling lines that grab attention. So a strong headline should be clear, direct, and relevant to what you're offering. Focus on what makes your product or service unique and why customers should choose you. Use action words and include keywords your audience is searching for. For example, instead of saying buy shoes, try shop lightweight running shoes or upgrade your run today. These are simple but powerful phrases that encourage clicks and highlight value. Keep headlines within Google's 30-character limit. Every word should add impact. Avoid generic terms and make sure your message aligns with your offer. Since Performance Max campaigns distribute your ads across multiple platforms, create a mix of benefit-driven and emotional headlines that perform well everywhere. Once you've written several variations, review them for clarity and tone. Google's Headline Strength tool can also help evaluate their effectiveness. When you're satisfied, click Save and continue to launch your ad. Google's system will automatically test combinations and prioritize the ones that get the best results. And that's it. You've now learned how to write effective Google Ads headlines that convert, especially for Performance Max campaigns. With clear, keyword-rich headlines, you'll capture more attention, drive more clicks, and boost your results. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tutorials to improve your advertising skills.